Okay, so today I'm going to make a Viking shield. I mean, who doesn't want a Viking shield? I don't really have a good way to evenly heat this metal for shaping, but I found that if you just hit it with a big hammer, it moves along pretty quickly. This is where I like to just kind of smooth things out, make it a little more even, but not too even. I like to leave a few dents so the shield looks like it's been used at least a few times. From what I've read, the Vikings probably didn't use metal rings on the outside of their shields. They usually wrap them with leather to help hold them together. I always see them in TV and movies with metal rings, and let's face it, the metal looks way cooler. The 18 gauge sheet metal I had laying around had a little paint on it, so I had to take care of that. I like to use both Perma Blue and the Plum Brown. It gives it that blackened look, but a little rusty too. Here I glued up some old 1/2 inch pallet wood. A Viking shield can be anywhere from 1/4 inch to 1 inch thick. Here's where I get that used in battle look. I use the axe mostly, but I also use a chisel and a chain, actually. I did do a little sanding, but not much was needed. I like to use a really dark stain here. I wipe it on, getting it into all the grooves, dents, and scratches. Then I wipe about 90% of it off. I was able to find some 1-inch wrought iron nails, and I think they look pretty good. I read somewhere that the Vikings would hammer over the nails on the boss, so I did this on the metal ring as well. I think it helps hold the whole thing together. Okay, so that's it. Viking shield done. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.